Hi, my name is Dr. Stephen Mulholland. I'm a plastic surgeon and one of the leading authorities on skin rejuvenation. In fact, I helped pioneer one of the most popular skin rejuvenation technologies and procedures in the world called photofacial. With photofacial, we take intense pulse light using a device in the office that uses filters, that filters out the kind of light we want to make the skin look great. What a photofacial does, it takes intense pulse light and it shines those energy bundles, those photons, those little wavelengths of light on the skin to improve red and brown discoloration. Our yellow mode garment is basically a photofacial in a therapeutic shirt or hat. What yellow mode does, much like photofacial, where we use a filter and a photofacial device, we use proprietary SunSoul resins or pigments that are woven into the fabric. The yellow mode garment, rather than using a filter, uses fluorescent pigments and dyes that absorb UV light, right shift it, amplify and transmit it onto the skin. With a few hours of exposure a week, we can improve red and brown discolorations, the same type of aging chromophores or color changes that we see in our skin that benefits from our photorejuvenation office treatments. So the yellow mode garment to me is like a home-based extension of our photofacial treatments. The yellow material, our yellow mode fluorescent therapeutic garment, has been clinically trialed and results have proven to be very favorable.
What I love about yellow mode is the improvement in my skin tone. It reduced like sunspots and fine lines. It made me feel like I had more radiant skin, and it is so easy to use. All I had to do was put the shirt on and go outside for a few hours a week.
The yellow mode comes in a variety of hats and shirts and different stylings to cover the most common areas that we treat and cover in the clinic, specifically the face, sun damage and aging changes of the face, the neck, and the décolletage. Speak to your skincare professional about this exciting new fluorescent therapeutic material, yellow mode. It has men and women looking at the sun in a whole different way. In fact, skincare is going to look a whole lot brighter. Acne is one of the more common things we see as cosmetic physicians. There are over 70 million people in the United States who suffer from clinical and visible forms of acne. Over 80% of all adolescents suffer from acne at some point in their development. The problem is that many young adults, adolescents in particular, don't seek treatment. They're embarrassed. They don't have the time or the energy or the discipline to focus on what's required from these many complicated products. The beautiful thing about Blue Mode is its elegant simplicity. We take a garment that is actually quite stylish, that most teenagers would feel pretty cool wearing at the beach or at a sports event, a hat, a shirt, and it converts the UV light, absorbs it so you don't get the harmful rays on your skin. It transmits it into therapeutically beneficial blue wavelengths of light, which we've known for many years is beneficial for acne. The garment takes broad spectral light and converts that and focuses it into blue light. So you end up getting an intense exposure to blue light. So after a few weeks, an affected adult or a teenager can see upwards of 40 or 50% reduction in their pimple counts with a simple wearing of a therapeutic garment. Blue Mode has been studied by some of the world's leading dermatologists. We know that blue light used in our offices has been very effective for years. Blue light focuses certain wavelengths of light that activate chemical reactions that kill the underlying bacteria of acne. The Blue Mode garment acts the same way. It absorbs UV light, right shifts it, amplifies it, and transmits it on the skin. Same photochemical processes occur as you would in an in-office blue light treatment, and we're able to kill the underlying cause of acne, the bacteria. The beautiful thing about the Blue Mode garment is that those patients that are most likely not to come to a doctor's office, teenagers, young adults, who are embarrassed, who don't have the time, who don't have the discipline to come into an office, can now receive the same beneficial effects of in-office blue light in a home therapeutic garment, Blue Mode.
I tried everything to get rid of my acne. The creams were so messy, and the prescriptions upset my stomach and kept me out of the sun. So when my doctor told me about Blue Mode, I wasn't sure at first what to think about a fabric to treat my skin, but once I tried it, it was so easy. After using it 2 hours a week, just a few weeks, my skin had started to clear up.
Talk to your skincare professional about this exciting new fluorescent therapeutic material. Blue is about to become your favorite color.